and 40% off the back wall. All right, this is what I'm talking about. Tech fleece steals way under retail, way under retail. Wow. They do have a little heat section right here with 25, 26 bucks. What the hell? That's a solid price. That's a solid price. That's like 50 bucks, right? We are at Ontario Mills. Of course, we're gonna start with the Nike outlet. We got Bossco in the house. We're gonna see what's up. We're gonna talk to Bossco. Let's go. Bossco looked at that sign. I was like, don't get fooled. Don't get fooled. They always have that sign up, dog. They always have that sign, yeah. Bossco found the Kobe's right there. Those look like grade school. They look like grade school Kobe's. 11 low IEs. Retail, 150 retail. Really? Really? Kobe's grade school right here. I'm gonna be offended if this is retail. I'm gonna be offended. Oh man, 170? Really, dogs? 170? Really? And they got these dunks right here. Man, they're trying to get retail for everything. Damn, doggies, really? I haven't seen these in forever though. That's crazy. And that's why you guys need to check out Bossco's channel as well as mine, because we do stuff totally differently. I'm headed straight for the refurb section. Bossco is hitting up the aisles. We do things totally different. Is it differently? I think it's an adverb. Differently. But yeah, we do things differently. We see different stuff. There have been times when I don't even see some of the stuff he sees, and vice versa. Bossco method, a little bit more right on this one. There's really not much. You got the Blazer Low Pros right here, $51 like new, size 11. Got Air Force One Evos. They look cooked already. They look like they've been worn like crazy, gently worn. Dogs, look at the crease, man. These were not gently worn. That's crazy. That's crazy. But yeah, these are going for 73. Got some GT Hustles right here, 8.5, 102. LeBron 21s, 105. iShot Premiums with all kinds of dirt on the side at $66 like new. Really? Like new? Trainers, $78. Infinity Run React 4s. These are women's. $80 for these. All right, men's. That was pretty disappointing. Women's right here. This is the extent of the refurb right here and right here. That's it? That's it? And these ain't even refurbs. God dang it. These ain't even refurbs. That is a good price though. $125, especially with that 40% off. Like $125 a little bit much, but 40% off on top of that. That's not bad. That's not bad. That's what, 70 bucks? A lot of empty spaces in the regular aisles. Wow. Wow. Looks like they got a lot of bigger sizes. This is where the size 10 starts. We got size 11s right there. Who's buying these? Who's buying these? Really? Really? They are going for retail. I guess retail 40% off. Who's buying these? I could understand the calm size, but these? $120 for Air Max 1s. Airspan 2s going for $85. These are the blue ones. Metcons, retail. I guess 40% off. Most of these at least. What's this go for? Dang it. Dang it. What's this go for? Terra Tigers 110. You're not even a crazy steal, fool. Get back. You're not even a crazy steal. I think that'll stay. Saw some patent leathers right there. Nah, that ain't it. That ain't it. That ain't it. What's these going for? What these going for? What these going for? 130. These are 12 and a half. Invincible Run Flyness. We see multiple of those. 160 for these 11 and a halves. Heck is this 40s, 12 and a half, going for 90 bucks. I need to look at these because even at the retail stores, these have been going for hella cheap. Yeah, man, cheap at the retail stores. Size 13s, 165. Jordan 2.3s, retail minus the 40 off. I got these Vapor Max things right here. They got these in a Safari apparently. Did not know that. 160 for the Vapor Max, and then got these size 8s right here. 250 for those. All right, we're switching things up. Let's see if we can find some apparels deal since it is 40% off. And see Lakers gear. Do see Lakers gear. What they talk about? These are medium, $70. At least you get 40 off. I just don't like that new Lakers logo or the city. I don't know, whatever the hell that is. Salute to Service something. Salute to Service Niners. This is hella huge. Triple XL, $75. What is this? The Nike Trail Windbreaker. Medium, $150. $151, normally $250. Damn. Dodgers lightweight sweatshirt, $85 for that one. Checking out the second rack, finding some of the same stuff. Just a Clippers hoodie right here, $70. 70 bucks. Everything retail, and then you just get that 40 off. 40 off's not bad, but I don't know. Lately, I just feel like we've seen like really big steals. I guess not at every place. You got a Lakers shirt right here. This is a medium, 40% off retail, I guess. Rain jacket? Oh, another. Oh, this is an ACG raincoat right here. Okay, there you go. 180 down to 64 bucks. Got some tech fleece. What they talking about? I really haven't seen this color in the past. What's up? What's up? XL. Ooh, $80, 40 off. That's not bad. 48 bucks. $48 for a tech fleece jacket. Then we go to this next one. 135. 135. At least you get 40 off. What's this? What's this? What's this? Like one of those hockey jerseys? This is a large. This was a small. I'd have to think about it. 120, 40% off. And then they got these in different colors. Look at this. Look at this. This ain't bad, dude. $80, another 40% off. Sixers jersey right here. Joel Embiid. $120, 40 off. Got a. What is this? Is that Liverpool? Liverpool. Go for 170 extra authentic. That's like one of the high-end ones. Golden State Warriors hoodie right here, small, $80. Of course, I did look for that blue tech fleece in a small. No, they just got some larges, X larges. That's it. That's it. $78 for this thing right here. All right, we're checking the aisles now. Dude got some Metcon 8s. Got it in cargo khaki, light bone sequoia. Got some Vomero 5s. Going down in price. Look at that. Hirachi's going for hella cheap. Got some Dunks. Another one of those. Flight Light mids going for too much. Flight Light mids going for the right price right there. Holy cow. Holy cow. That's what 25, 26 bucks? What the hell? Airspan 2s. Another one of those. 50 even. What are these? React Leo premiums. Leo Baker, one of their signature athletes or signature skaters. Lena Rome's right here going for a decent price. Yeah, this one going for way too much. Another Flight Legacy. The Air More Tempo slides, one of my favorite slides of all time. Holy crap, holy crap. I was wearing these a few days ago and freaking I parked my car somewhere and like I stepped out of the car and stepped into a bunch of throw up. I was so freaking pissed. So pissed. I was like, what the hell, dude? My favorite slides, mother lovers. But yeah, this stuff gets really ashy right here and it dries out. And but I still love these. These are my favorite slides. 11 and they got plenty, but it's regular price though. I have been finding a ton of those on sale. I pay no $85, but yeah, got LeBron's. That's a solid price. That's a solid price. That's like 50 bucks, right? Like 50 bucks for those. They got all kinds of sizes. And yeah, do got, oh, that's solid as well. LeBron Witness 7s right here. Got Katie Trey 5s. Got some of the Lucas right here. Got some streak flies for you middle distance runners. Specifically for 5K, 10Ks, that's 3 miles and 6 miles. Then all kinds of generics and generics. All kinds of generic stuff right here. Crazy thing, even when the outlet visits sucked, there were some decent things. There were a few decent things. That Tech Fleece for $47, something like that. The LeBrons for under 50. Got some decent stuff. Not the best trip, but still solid prices and still decent selection. Yeah, man, even when they suck, they're still dope. And I forgot about the Air Flight Light mids. Those were what, 27 bucks, something like that. Huge line. So they don't even have to have anything dope here. Look at that, dude. Lines are crazy. All right, we're gonna check out a few other shops. Gonna have a few other videos here. I don't know. What are your thoughts?
Right there,
I know. So they don't even have to have anything crazy here, right? They don't even have to, because look at that, dude. And
that's crazy.
Yeah, and I've heard a lot of other stuff about this store too, where they help certain people and stuff, you know, that type of stuff. So,
Hookups.
but yeah, but you don't, like I said, they don't need. You don't even have to have much. So the line beats so crazy. I don't know. Let's go hit up some other stores. Let's go. All right, let's try this store. Bosco just told us we were 2 stars. It's so true. This place has been so awful, but it says 50% off store wide. How do you make a bootleg of your own shoe? Like that's not a top 10, but it kind of looks like top. Like what the hell? Man, yeah, a bunch of generic stuff that we don't even know. We don't even know the names of any of the stuff. It's on sale though. Some bootleg Stan Smith? You want some bootleg Stan Smith? Huh? Like, come on, dude. Really? Bootleg forums? Advantage 2.0, but crappy material? Like, huh? Like, come on now, dude. Really? Bossco and I are offended at this. All right, they do have a clearance section. Let's reserve our opinions until we check out the clearance section. Do get 50% off the back wall. No, wait. Maybe. Nah, 150. We saw it cheaper somewhere else. 150, so that's $75. This is one of the better colorways. This is one of my favorite colorways of the Ultra Boost right now, and I really like that fleece material on the back. Like, it is pretty freaking dope, but just not paying $75 for them. These ZX 750s, these ain't bad. $100, so $50 after saving size 11. And that's my point in this video. Even when they suck, these outlets, they still have a few things here and there, you know. These are going for $65 after the savings. That's a definite cop for some people. Like, I already have, what, 3-4 pair of Ultra Boosts at home, and I haven't really worn them too often. But $75 for that is fire. They got Kobe's right here, aka Crazy Ones. These are 50% off. These are size 13. Saw the bootleg Stan Smiths earlier. Got real Stan Smiths right here. Yeah, these are going for 100. Get 50 off. Dame at 9s right here. These are size 12 and a half. Yeah, these are 120. You do get that 50% off, so that's not too bad. For these right here, these are 220, so 110 after the savings. I feel like we've seen these cheaper at plenty of other spots. Foot Locker outlet, that comes to mind when I think about those. Size 11 right here, another $75. Checking out the men's section. There have been times when we see all kinds of Ultra Boosts. We just see 3 little Ultra Boosts right here. And this colorway is not too bad. Powder blue. You get it for $95. And I just love the 1.0 silhouette. Comfort on them, pretty decent as well. Oh wait, here's a 4th one. This is like the gel one with some Nike Air on the side. Oh wait, and they got the 5X one right here, the Ultra Boost 5X. This one is hella comfy, way more boost. So way more boosty. Triple white right here. I just don't like the upper. The upper doesn't, like, I don't know, it just doesn't do it for me. It looks more comfortable, but I don't know, I just like the 1.0 silhouette a little bit more. 180. Oh no store discount for that one, but you do get the 50% off that one right there. And then Bossco getting excited, seeing some Adidas basketball. Hey man, stop throwing stuff, fool. Stop throwing stuff, fool. You're getting mad. I know you're getting mad, but at least they got some basketball.
Are we going with the white or the road colorway? Which one you guys liking more?
Which color? Black or white? Black Lakers or white Lakers?
I kind of like these a little more, but these are just so classic. They give me Laker vibes exactly.
I paid retail for that one.
Yeah.
I paid retail for that. Bro. Got some SL 72s and MDs, 50% off. That was going for 80. These right there as well. Moa's down to $50. Got it in black and white if you need that classic color. Way right here, also got them in more black and white, I guess. Got some red ones right here. Got some more Samoas. So, you know, not bad. Like, even when they don't have nothing, they still got a little something, you know? They still got a little something, so not too bad, not too bad. Made it to the women's. Finally got some right here, 180, 50 off. Oh, finally got some Ultra Boost, that is. Made it to the women's. Finally got some right here, 180, 50 off. Oh, finally got some Ultra Boost, that is. Another $95 right there. Then got some Gazelles, as well as some Campus that are suede right here. These are pretty dope. 50% off. Got some NMDs, going for 75. Okay, these are 65. Ooh, and these Campus are pretty dope. Look at the laces, holy cow. Love when the companies do something different like this. Doesn't have a price tag though, but I would assume 50 off. I don't know for sure though. More of these. They got some Taekwondo shoes right here for all the Koreans out there. Okay. I know other people do Taekwondo too. All right. I never wore shoes when I did tech one. I just realized that. Got superstars. These are. Is this a superstar woman or is this a superstar J? I don't know. But yeah, $70. Got this. This is a women's for $70. Stan Smith's 110. By 110 I mean 55. Retail for those. Okay, here we go. Here we go. See, Ultra Boost 5X right here. The fact that you get 50% off that is freaking dope. And then yeah, the black and white one not included in the promotion, but it will eventually. Because these two colorways are included in the promotion. $95 for Ultra Boost 5X. That is a hell of a deal. These seem way more comfortable than regular Ultra Boost. I don't like the way they look, but they look way more comfortable. Then got some Gazelles, as well as some Campus that are suede right here. These are pretty dope. 50% off. Got some NMDs, going for 75. Okay, these are 65. Ooh, and these Campus are pretty dope. Look at the laces, holy cow. Love when the companies do something different like this. Doesn't have a price tag though, but I would assume 50 off. I don't know for sure though. More of these. They got some Taekwondo shoes right here for all the Koreans out there. Okay, okay. I know other people do Taekwondo too. All right. I never wore shoes when I did tech one. I just realized that. Got superstars. These are. Is this a superstar woman or is this a superstar J? I don't know. But yeah, $70. Got this. This is a women's for $70. Stan Smith's 110. By 110 I mean 55. Retail for those. Okay, here we go. Here we go. See, Ultra Boost 5X right here. The fact that you get 50% off that is freaking dope. And then yeah, the black and white one not included in the promotion, but it will eventually. Because these two colorways are included in the promotion. $95 for Ultra Boost 5X. That is a hell of a deal. These seem way more comfortable than regular Ultra Boost. I don't like the way they look, but they look way more comfortable. So even when the visits aren't that crazy, they still got some decent stuff. They got the Ultra Boost 5X. I don't think it's as great as Light Strike, but the 5X is pretty freaking comfortable. And then they still have those Dames. They got the crazy ones. So they still have stuff. Even at Nike, they still had at least a few decent things that we went over. So even when these trips aren't that great,
yeah,
they're still better than
other places.
You know, like better than paying retail for stuff. Even at the malls, yeah, sales have been pretty good. But for here, you're definitely going to get stuff on sale. So not.
It's all about the markdowns. You know?
Yeah, so definitely worth checking out, you guys. Make sure you guys check out Bossco's channel. Make sure you guys like this video, do all that good stuff. I don't know, whatever, dude. We're out, man. We're out, dude. All right, we're checking out some more places, man. Let's go. Let's go. On to the next one. All right, did wrap up. Made a few videos here, and look at the line. Look at the line at Nike. Holy cow. Holy cow. Bosco. That's why they don't even have no deals. They don't even have to have nothing. They don't even have to have nothing, dude. Fuck, dude. Why would they have great deals? Why would they have great deals? Because yeah, gonna be in line anyways. All right, we out, man. Make sure you guys subscribe. Make sure you guys check out Bossco's channel. We out. We out. $60. $60. This probably matches with Lakers gear. Another one here going for 50 freaking bucks. Wow. Might be the cheapest we've ever seen these bad boys. These as well. DNs. Definitely the cheapest we've ever seen them. Like, look at these. Like, that's the price we sell them at the outlets lately, right? June's also for the cheapest we've ever seen those. Holy cow. Holy cow, really? Yo. Jordan 1, no OGs, really? Jordan 1, no OGs for 60 freaking dollars? Ontario Mills, you won't believe some of the deals they have. They got 40% off t-shirts right here, 40% off Mitchell & Ness shorts, and all that type of stuff. That includes these All-Star shorts right here, $40, 40% off. And these jersey deals are freaking insane, including Petty Hardaway, $45 with an extra 40% off. LJ right here, 40% off, 45. Got a Shaquille jersey right here. Got these in a couple sizes. And then look at this. Look at this. Got a Jordan All-Star jersey, and these are freaking authentic right here. And they're normally $350 down to $200. And then you do get that 40% off. So these are coming out to $120. $120, $240 off. Are you effing serious?